Greetings, everyone. Welcome to Marco Cartoon Family. So today we'll be starting with cartoon creation, and there are three basic elements you need to know before starting anything. The first element you have to consider first is your script. Before you embark on any cartoon creation, first you have to get a script on probably the story or what you want the characters to do. So, secondly, you have to generate your voice or have worked over voice worked over, but most time I generate my voice. Then thirdly, you have to create your characters. So first, if you want to write your script, I prefer using my notepad on my phone. But if you have any other software you want to use, it's still good. So I go to my search and I get my notepad. So I add here. I'm coming. This is my add button here. I add. Then probably I want the title of okay, let me say the visit to my friend. Let me say a visit to my friend. Probably I want to write the experience on how I met them, or just write a visit to my friend. So this is the title. So this is what I then this note I note something down. This is what how I want my character to follow. So first I start with me. Okay, that I'm starting a conversation. So me. So hi, hi. Okay, hello, James. How are you doing? How are you doing? Then James here. I'm doing fine, or I'm doing very well. Very well. Longest time. Let me say longest time, Marco. Me. Yeah, yeah, pretty long. I missed pretty long, come on. I missed you. Sorry, I missed you. I missed you, my friend. Okay? So this is the conversation I want. So I save it. So okay, we have something like this. We have a script on how we want everything to go. So second, you have to generate your voice or your voiceover. So I have what I use to generate voice. I have an application which is audio text to audio. Oh, sorry, text to speech voice reading. So I download it from my Play Store. Text to speech voice reading. So I have it here. I close. So plus that I want new. Okay. So now I want this. What I want to do now is like two character. So which I'm supposed to use two different voice. So right here now, this me. I just copy it. I copy. I paste it. Or you can actually type if you have the time to. So this is where you play. You play it here. I'm coming. You play it here. This is where you play it.
Hello James, how are you doing?
You hear it.
Hello James, how are you
So
doing?
this is a female voice.
Hello James, how are you doing?
You pause it. This is a female voice. So I want a male voice. For you to get a male voice, you you have to come to text here. This is a text. You come to text. Right. I come to text, and you see English Nigeria. So this is English Nigeria. The language is English Nigeria. So I don't want English Nigeria. I want like United States. Then I choose the voice. We have different voice for United States. So let's use anyone and just give it a try. You heard.
Hello James, how are you doing?
So this
Hello James, how are you
is a
doing?
female. Let's get a male. Let's use a male voice. Okay. go to um look for, let us say, to speech. This speech here is how fast you want it, or you play it.
Hello James, how are you doing?
Okay, let's use 11 lab. 11 lab is easy, is the easiest, and is faster. So for you to get 11 lab, go to your Chrome, your browser, Chrome. Wait for it to open. Just type in 11 11 lab. It's on my screen already. iOS. I open it. Okay, here here is where you type in your text. That's where you type in your text. So we paste what we typed earlier. You play it here. You can change the voice here. Okay, so we want something like this now. Then here is where you save it. Here, you save it here. This is where you save it. Sorry, this is where you save it here. You tap here and you save it. You see it's downloaded. It's already downloaded. So I open it now. I play it. Okay, so you have your script, you have your voice. So what you have to do now is the, let me say, the simplest. Let's go for the simple cartoon animations. The simple characters. Let's generate the simple characters. So to open that, I add a new tab. You have Adobe Animate from Audio. Adobe Animate from Audio. So you go to your search button and type animate from audio. Animate from audio. You have it here. So you log in here. This Adobe. This Adobe. This is where you select. You click there and you log in. So once you log in, you click the start now button. Click the start now button. Select it. Select the start now button. You wait for it to open. But if your phone is not updated, like if the version is not high, I have the should I say the lower version of this Adobe Animate from Audio. So I'll send it to you. Okay. So here we have characters. This is where you get your characters. You have background. You have size. Then category. In category here is if you are looking for schoolboy or looking for anything. So that is for that. So these are characters here. These so all these things here, you can make them talk. Yeah, you can make them respond to your your script. So this is normally any of it you want to use. So let's look for a guy. Let's look for a young guy. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, okay. This Alex will be for the James. So let me look for myself. Okay, let me see the difference between this Alex. Okay, let you this Javi. We select it. Okay, on the background here, this background here, I'm using green background. If you want to do two characters animation, two characters, if you want to merge two characters, like I want to have a conversation between this and this, you have to use green screen background for you to be able to remove the background and put them in one background. But if you are doing one character design, character animation, sorry, you can use your own background here. But if it's not okay by you, you can use a green screen and go to your CapCut to remove it. So we have this, we have this, we have this. So based on what we have here now is two characters. So I'm using green screen. I'm using green screen. So now down here we have browser. This browser here, this browser here is where you have that our sound we already uploaded that we have saved. If you want to put it here for this character to say what I've already wrote down there, what you have to do now is go to your browser, or if you want to say it here verbally for it to demonstrate or say repeat after you. You have recording here. You can actually record here, or you go to your browser. Anyone that is okay by you, fine. So let's use the one on our browser. Okay, I select browser. I go to my file where I can find what I saved. Then I go to audio. So look at it here, 11 lap. Here is it, the first one, 11 lap. I select it. So I'll wait for it to upload. Wait for it to upload. You wait for it to it's still loading. So while it's loading, you have download here. You have download here. This download. So if this is your first time of using Adobe Express, it's going to ask you to sign up. So you can use your Google account. You sign in with your Google account, your Gmail. Sign with your Gmail. That is the most easiest way to sign in. You can sign in with your Gmail. Once you sign in, you'll be able to save videos. So I've already signed in. So we have download here. So I guess it's still sorry. We have download here. Never mind. Okay. So you can see it's download there. So we can open it. You see? That is for that. So I'm coming. So let's go back. If you want to use audio, let's replace it. I'm replacing the audio. I want to replace it with sound. I want to record. You can actually record that. Let me say anywhere at all. The thing is going to scrutinize it, remove the background noise or anything outside your voice. So the app will do it automatically. So audio here. Let's use recording. Click on done. Okay, if I download it now, it's going to download, but I want us to use the first one. So let me just download it and just show you. So if you open it now,
Hello, James. How you doing?
see, I even have background noise here, but it will help me remove it. So that is for that. So let's get James character now. So what we have to do, you go to your script and get James response and copy it. I'm doing great. Sorry, I'm doing very well. Longest time, Marco. We copy it. We'll go to our 11 lap. Go to the tab. We have 11. We have our voice here. 11 lap. You go to 11 lap and paste it there. Paste it. So we'll use a different voice for James. Can you use Charles?
I'm doing very well longest time, Mecca.
Use this one. Anyone?
I'm doing very well longest time, Mecca.
The voice look outward. Let's look for something.
I'm doing very well longest time, Mako.
No. Let's use this.
I'm doing very well longest time, Mako.
No. Let's use Gigi.
I'm doing very well longest time, Mako.
Let's use Daniel.
I'm doing very well longest time, Mako.
You save it. So it has been saved. What you do, you go to your 11 lap. Animate from audio. So you go to animate from audio. You change the character. Go to your character. So let's go to that guy sitting on the chair. That guy, look, sitting on the chair. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? The guy sitting on the chair. Wait, it's as if I passed it. Okay, look at him here. Put it on green background. Don't forget, green screen. Okay, then replace the audio. Go to your browser and go to audio. That is going to be the first one. So you download it.
I'm doing very well longest time, Mako.
So that is for that. So in our next class, we are going to talk about how to image the two of them and add it to add a background. Like it should be like they're having a conversation between themselves. So see you in the next class.